Hey man, what are you doing?
Working.
Working? What are you Googling the new Adamson roof maintenance plan?
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Well then tell me about it.
Well, Adamson Roofing Company now has a maintenance plan for only $25 a month.
$25 a month? What do I get for $25 a month?
Well, they're gonna clean your roof, your gutters, they're gonna do a full roof inspection for $25 a month.
Get out of here. Seriously?
Yeah, they come over there twice a year and do a full roof inspection and a cleaning service.
So wait a minute. Let me get this straight. For $25 a month, which is what, $300 a year?
Yep.
You guys are going to come out, clean my roof,
Clean the roof.
clean my gutters,
Yes, sir.
give me a full roof inspection.
That's correct.
What about all my penetrations, my plumbing boot, my HVAC boots, my dryer vent, God's sakes, it's blowing lint all over my roof.
Everything what's on your roof is gonna be expected.
So you're going to make sure, for how much?
$25 a month.
I can hardly believe it. You're going to make sure that all of my roofing penetrations are properly sealed and in good condition?
That's correct.
All right, well, when if I have a roofing problem, I've got broken and missing shingles, that's not $25 a month.
That's extra, but we can make you aware if you have a major issue with your roof, of course.
So if it's a small issue, if there's not a big upcharge. If it's like a broken shingle, there might be a small additional charge, right?
Yeah, or sometimes, if it's maybe one shingle, probably we can fix it right there.
For no charge?
For no charge.
Wow. A lot of people hire all of these, not only uncertified, but people who are really not equipped to get on your roof and do a proper inspection and really navigate those things on your roof properly without doing additional damage. They're nailing ropes and boards to your roof because they're afraid to be up there.
All kind of crazy things.
And then by the time it's all done, yes, they've created more damage. It's going to cost you, it's going to be more expensive for having had them come to your house and do this, when really we're fully certified. And we're certified by who?
GAF.
I knew the answer to that. I just seen if you knew.
Yeah, we're going to send a professional roofers to clean the gutters.
But we're certified GAF. What? We're what?
We're a master lead.
We're Master Lead?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I knew that.
There is very few companies in the state.
Actually, yeah, Master Lead contractors make up 2% of all contractors across the United States of America. But here we're talking about Georgia, right? So inside Georgia, right, 98% of the contractors in the state of Georgia are not certified Master Lead. At the end of the day, if you want your roof inspected properly, you want it done right, and you want it done right the first time, who do you call?
Adamson Roofing Company, 678-424-1919. And please like and subscribe to our channel.
Hey, you beat me to it. I was just going to say that. Don't forget to. And say that again. Don't forget to do what?
Like and subscribe to our channel.
Awesome. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Len.
And I'm Renee.
We'll see you next time.